So good day, saints and lovers of STEM. It's been a long time since we had some engineering professor advice. I've been sick. I'm an endowed professor, endowed chair, full professor. Got a lot going on. But today I have an exam. Whenever we're around exam time, I always get some inspiration to do some advice. I get to work about an hour before the exam and I always have people asking to do office hours with me. Been 3 weeks, no office hours. Now you want to do it right before an exam? Nah, those Hail Mary passes don't work. My advice for today is don't sleep on those prerequisite classes. If you are an engineering student, when you're taking calculus, differential equations, physics, pay attention. Don't give your books back and sell them back immediately to the bookstore when you pass the final or don't pass the final. That stuff comes back to bite you. Right now, I'm teaching circuits for majors and non-majors. They have to do phasor analysis, Laplace, Fourier transforms, vectors. They got to know how to do complex number math, solve systems of equations, reduce row echelon form, matrix manipulation. All that stuff you learn in your math and some of your physics classes. So when you don't pay attention and you're in that engineering class, you have to reteach yourself that stuff. And while you're reteaching, the train is moving. I've moved on to other stuff because my expectation is if you said you passed that class, you know that stuff. So don't sleep on your prerequisite classes. Pay attention. Ask questions. Ask your professor, when am I going to see this again? Can you show me an example of where they used this in an engineering class? I promise you they do. And if your math or physics professor doesn't know, tell them to go ask one of your engineering professors. I would love to give math and physics teachers examples of how we apply that math later because that makes it more real to the students. They will appreciate it and they will pay attention. So there's today's advice. Don't sleep on those prerequisite classes. Stay STEM-tastic.